Y'all, we are taking it old school, but in the best possible way. Today, I'm going to show you how to use fitted diapers and covers. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to start cloth diapering your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Today we are talking fitted diapers and covers. This style of diaper has an old school, classic construction, but with a nice modern twist. The style mimics where your mind goes when you think cloth diaper. A fitted diaper is exactly what it sounds like, a diaper that has a range of sizes that start from very teeny tiny newborn babies all the way up through your toddler babies can usually wear a fitted size diaper. This is a fitted diaper. Now this is a large, probably an extra large fitted diaper. My toddler 2-year-old daughter can fit this diaper right here. It's made out of material that you usually think of when you put a baby on your shoulder to burp. Same style of material used right here. And you know, that's why they call it a diaper from old school times. That's what they used to use to put on like our grandmothers and stuff. But this diaper is cut in the shape of a diaper. So it makes it really easy to use. There's no extraneous fabric. This one has buttons across the top, which makes it easy to size, but I'm going to show you how we usually deal with sizing and fitted diapers a little bit later. They are excellent for babies who have sensitivity to synthetic materials. Usually fitted diapers are made out of cotton, hemp, bamboo. Let's jump straight in and I'll show you the pros and cons of these wonderful diapers. So my first pro is that I have never, and I mean ever, had a leak when I have used a fitted diaper and a cover. It's just an excellent combination. I particularly like using these diapers at nighttime to help baby get through the night. The second pro of this diaper is that it's insanely economical. You can buy a range of sizes of fitted diapers from about $5 to $15. Just like anything though, if you want to splurge, there are also fitted style diapers that are in the $20, $25 range as well. And the third pro about this diaper is that they are easy to wash, super easy to wash. These diapers can actually go in the washer and dryer. Now don't put the cover in the dryer, but the diaper itself can go in the dryer. The fourth pro for fitted diapers is that you can customize the fit to your baby. As I kind of showed you a little earlier, this version of this fitted diaper has snaps along the top, but there are also versions that don't have snaps. And what that means is that if you need a really, really good snug fit on this diaper, you can get it as tight as you need it to be or as loose as you need it to be to make it fit comfortably for your baby. As your baby grows, you can find a fitted that will grow with your baby as well. Now let's move over to the cons of this diaper. From my experience, this diaper really gives a baby a sensation of being wet. In the middle of the night, that could be a problem if your baby is sensitive to wetness and easily wakes up because of feeling wet. In that case, this diaper could be uncomfortable for your child. Or you can just prepare to have to change this style of diaper in the middle of the night. When you get up to feed the baby, just swap out a diaper as well. I don't recall these being on the market when I was doing my cloth diaper research, but there are now fitted cloth diapers that cater to the overnight market. So this might not be a con as much as it was when I was looking at these diapers more than 4 years ago. The second con to this diaper, we've seen several all-in-ones, diapers that are easy one-step diapers. This diaper is a 2-step diaper. You have to use this diaper. It is not waterproof as it is, but you also need a cover on top of it to keep all the moisture in. Many moms have failed that task, put this diaper on their baby, and have wet spots on their shirts to prove it. To get through the day, you will need a cover on top of the diaper so you can avoid wetness on your furniture, your clothes, or as baby is moving around throughout the day. The third con is that this style of diaper is sometimes cumbersome for caregivers. My mom happened to prefer this style of diaper, but maybe it was because it was what she was used to when she thought of cloth diapers. But my in-laws preferred all-in-one style diapers, an easy one-piece diaper that mimics what we are used to with disposable diapers. So if you have a caregiver that does not want to take 2 steps to put on a diaper, this might not be the diaper that you want to. It's definitely probably not the diaper you want to send to school, but also not the diaper that you want to use for caretaking. You will like this diaper if you are looking for a modernish cloth diaper with all of the bells, whistles, feels of what you expect from a cloth diaper. That's kind of, I don't want to fully go and say leak proof, but definitely reduces leaks if you use it the right way. That's economical and has a customized fit. This is your diaper. I learned to love this diaper. I was really kind of skeptical about it at first, but for some reason I bought a couple dozen of them without really knowing what they were. But I really love this diaper. It also has stood the test of time. I bought these diapers with my son, and as you can see, they are in such good shape. It has a flap that provides an extra layer of absorbent material. These are super, look at this. Look at the elastic on that. Look at the give. This has lasted so well. This is amazing construction, you guys. They probably have a better level of absorbency now with my daughter than they even did with my son. This has been such a good diaper for us in our stash. All right, so I've given you my pros and cons and some unsolicited advice on this diaper. Let me show you how to use them. Let's pull out the demo, baby. Actually, it's demo Spider-Man today. Now, one of the things I mentioned in the cons is that this is not a one-step diaper. You need the fitted diaper itself. You also need a cover. This is a waterproof cover that will go over the diaper. If you order the ones with snaps, you will not need this, but if you order fitted diapers without snaps, you will definitely need a closure. And this one that I'm using is called a snappy. A snappy is a modern take on safety pins. I never use safety pins in my stash. I'm not opposed to them, but I'm also not here for pricking my baby on accident. As usual, you lay the diaper down. You know this part from diapering any old regular baby. Wrapping the diaper around the body, tightening around the waist, getting a nice secure fit. We still want it fitted around the midsection, up the back to prevent any blowouts. You want to make sure that you have a nice snug fit around the thighs. And then over this part of the diaper, we put the cover. Now, covers are where these diapers get fun. I mean, just like you can find prints for any other cloth diaper, you can use a cover to snazz up your diaper stash. And the cover wraps around, covering the absorbent part of this diaper. Get a good fit. Now, what you want to do before you consider your job done here is that you want to make sure that you have everything tucked into the cover. That's how we avoid leaks. That's how we avoid blowouts. That's what makes cloth diapering amazing. That's scenario number one. Now, scenario number two is that we're going to imagine that this diaper does not have snaps across the top. You are going to do the same thing, wrapping the diaper around your baby. Instead of using the snaps, you will use a snappy. And trust me, you want to make sure that you have this on hand. The way you use a snappy is these two long sides are for the long sides of the diaper. And let's see if we can get real close here. You want to pin the diaper there, pin the diaper there. And since we're using Spider-Man, web it out, sling there. 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Cover it up like normal. Snappies allow you to get a super customized fit with these diapers. It's one of my favorite aspects, actually. This one's size for a smaller baby. The snappy is one of my favorite aspects of using a fitted and a cover because it just gives you a range of possibilities. Tuck everything in your cover. You don't want to see any cloth. And now that you have it secured across the back, your belly and your legs look good, baby Spider-Man is ready to go. So y'all, drop your thoughts on this diaper. I know this is a little bit of a departure from what we were doing with the pocket diaper and the all-in-one diaper, but y'all, I really think you should consider giving fitted diapers a go. I really think they're terrific, and as you can see, I'm singing their praises. But let me know what you think about these fitted diapers. Is this something you might want to try? Is this a little bit too far on the edge of cloth diapering for you? Let me know. Drop it in the comments below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned something. If you have, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you know when I upload a new video every Thursday, and share it. Share it with a mom that you know will find this content useful. All right, guys, until next time, bye.